Hey Blairsville, you guys have been so fun today. We are doing a ribbon cutting crawl open house. We're actually covering 6 new businesses to Blairsville, Union County. Right now I am joined by Kathy Terranova. She is of the Go For Girls. So this is Gopher, like gopher, it's a play on words, but Go-4
Yes.
Girl. And you're on Facebook, so
Yes.
people can find you there.
Yes, I am.
Kathy, tell us what you do.
Well, I grocery shop and delivery for people right to your door or to your office if needed, also to rental homes. And I, from grocery shopping to picking up dry cleaning to picking up prescriptions or anything that is needed. Party supplies, I also help with that, or that special gift that you can't find, I can help and shop and purchase for those as well. Liquor store and the wine shops, specialty shops, I can go anywhere.
Okay, so you mentioned to me that you'll do something that's pretty unique. You actually will, like let's say that you're coming to Blairsville or you've got family coming to Blairsville, you'll go get their groceries, get their wine, have it all for them on arrival so that they don't actually have to go to the store when they arrive.
Yes, it helps save your time. If you come to the mountains and want to enjoy your great vacation in your rental home, you don't want to spend time grocery shopping or finding the liquor store. So I will deliver to you upon your arrival. It can be pre-planned, so the day you get there, I can deliver your items for you.
Yeah, so that's awesome. The idea of a gopher is like, man, I could so use that in my life. You said, you kind of work out, I'm going to grab this wire so it doesn't attack you. You kind of work out for busy moms. What about seniors who they can't get out, but they used to love to go to Costco and they don't want to make that trip anymore? Tell us about that. Will you make a big trip?
Oh yes, once a month or more if needed. I'll go to Costco or Sam's or Target or the ladies like Michael's for the craft store.
Yeah.
Or even the big pet stores for your pets. I will do that once a month. For your elderly, if you can't email your list to me, I can either get it from you over the phone or in person. I will work one-on-one. Also for the people who just have the knee replacement or the hip replacement that can't get around the store very well, I can shop for you. You just have to email your list. It's that easy. If I have questions, I call you, or if the store's out of something, I call you while I'm in the store to try to find that substitute so I get the best that you want for your shopping.
Right, and I love that. A lot of people are loving like the Walmart grocery pickup. This is one step more personal though, because I know more than once I've gotten home with my groceries and been like, oh no, that's not at all what I thought I was. My sister got these rice, it was like random, they substituted, and so they substituted like pounds of mini rices, and it was not what we were looking for. It totally would have been resolved if you had been shopping for them. You would have called and said, hey, here's what I can get. What do you actually want? Yes,
or if you have those special dietary needs, you're gluten-free, or you can't have a certain dye, you let me know, and if they don't have that item that you're looking for, I'll read the ingredients on the other item. I can screenshot it, send it to you, and you can tell me if that's an item that you can have, rather than me purchasing something that you really can't eat. I would rather call you and find out, can you have this sugar substitute or no? And it makes it a lot easier, and people are more confident that they can still get their dietary needs and shopping with me. I will go that extra mile to look what they need. Or I've learned that one grocery store will have more gluten-free items than the other grocery stores will.
Yeah.
So, but I can do that for them.
Yeah, and I love that. If I'm asking you to shop for me, you'll stop at Ingles, you'll stop at Walmart, you'll go to more than one place if I need you to.
Exactly, yes. Or there's a special at Foodland.
Right.
I'll go to Foodland and get your meats because they have that special that day.
Or we just want Wayne's coleslaw.
That's right. Yes. And there's those things you just have to have. Or like when I go to the bigger stores, some ladies miss Publix.
Yeah,
and they want their fried chicken or the roast beef, and I'll pick that up for them too.
Right. Okay.
Just those little tiny things that make your day a little different. I will do that.
Yeah. Now, another thing that I'm thinking about, I'm thinking about some of the seniors that have been shut in, and maybe they have an event coming up. They're going to go, but they don't want to go into a store to buy like an outfit for it. Yes. You could go to the store, wouldn't you? And you would maybe take pictures and say, what do you think of this?
Yes, absolutely. I would want it see you first so I learn your body type and your style. But yes, I can absolutely shop for you. Or if you know your secretary's birthday is in a week and you forgot, yes, I can get that done for you in a hurry.
Right. And will you gift wrap as well if they want you to?
Yes, absolutely.
Which is huge.
Yes.
So basically, you are every person's dream. You're an assistant.
Yes, I'm your assistant. I'm your personal shopper, the one you can go to for me to gopher around for you and save your time.
Tell us a little bit about price point. I know it varies depending on the need, but generally speaking?
Generally, if it's just grocery shopping, we'll take that as an example. If you spend $150 in groceries and you're 15 miles radius from the store, it's $20. If you go over, it's $50 over, it's $5 for that 50. So if you spend $200 in the grocery store, it would be $25 for my delivery fee.
And again, that's you going to multiple stores. It's you getting what they need and bringing it to them wherever that involves in town.
Yes, it is. Yes. Now, if they're over that 15 miles, then it would go up $1 or $2 until you reach that full $5 for the 15 miles.
Sure.
I'm very flexible in working things. And if you don't spend $150 in groceries and it's a $20 trip, I'm not going to charge you the full $20.
Okay, so you are going to work with people based on, very customizable, based on what their needs are.
Oh yes, especially with the limited income. They're not going to have a large grocery bill every couple weeks or even once a month. So I'm not going to charge them the full time. It's basically my time. The $20 for about an hour and a half of my time.
Yeah, which is actually very generous when you break that down hourly.
Yes.
So we're thrilled to have you in the community, and thank you so much for sharing with everyone what you do.
Thank you.
Now, I'm going to put you on the spot, so you may be mad at me, but we like to offer like a little incentive. So the first person that comes to you and says, hey, saw you on that Facebook Live, do you have something that you will be willing to do for them?
Absolutely. I have a free delivery available for you for the first 3 people that sign on to Facebook and let me know that they saw me live.
Okay, so listen, that is an incredible incentive. First 3 people that mentioned to her that you saw her on Facebook Live, she's going to give you that free delivery for your first delivery. That's very generous. Thank you. I was thinking 1. She gave 3, so I already love her. And if you share this video, then we're going to enter you into our draw for September. We've got a new prize for you, so make sure that you share the video and comment in the comments that you shared it. So thank you so much for joining us. Look for Go For Girls on Facebook. You can go to our website and type that in as well, and it will come up if you forget. So thank you for joining us, Blairsville. Make sure you share this video.
Thank you.